heaven, I'm in heaven, and my heart beats so that I can hardly speak, and I seem to find the happiness I seek when we're out together dancing.
Ladies and gentlemen, please take your partners for the foxtrot.
The plaza is beautiful.
So many people here.
I love dancing so much I could die.
Hey, I think that boy's eyeing you over there. Ooh.
You should go and swirl around over there and show off.
No.
We can tell you like him.
Yeah, just do it.
You should really go over.
I don't want to, I'm too embarrassed.
Just think about it.
Here's your drinks, mate.
Thanks, Malcolm. Hey, Ian, you should go and ask that girl to dance.
No, I'm too shy.
Oh, you're blushing.
You've been looking at her all night. I don't want to. What if she says no?
She won't say no. You're like the hottest guy in the world.
Believe in yourself, mate. Do you want to go to dance?
Sure.
No.
What on earth?
Wait, there's a dog in the dance hall.
Where?
There! Oh, I think that's my friend's dog. I was supposed to be taking care of him. Come on, be a good boy, Douglas. Let's get you home.
Well done. Congratulations, winning the pod. Congratulations.
Why don't you buy that guy an ice cream?
Okay. I'm really impressed with your dancing. Here's an ice cream and a lemonade.
Thanks. Do you want to go on another date?
Yeah, I would love to.
Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. I do like to be beside the sea. I do like to be upon the from, where the brass band plays into the young So just let me be beside the seaside. I'll be beside myself with glee.